In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again to access device unlock and tap on face unlock. Following that, you need to enter your current screen lock. Hit start at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!